So hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernal, so Page Property by the MCI Home. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now, we're here at Allegra Garden Place, Amina Building. So nandito tayo sa isang 2-bedroom model unit ni Allegra Garden Place. So ito guys, this is a dress-up unit na makikita natin dito kay Allegra Garden Place. So this unit is behind the elevator. So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura niya. So ito guys, once we have entered here, so nandito ang ating entrance area. So nandito ang kanyang parang foyer area niya, makikita natin dito. And once we enter, so pagpasok natin, this is the dining area, yung kitchen area nandun. So makikita naman natin dito na napaka-spacious pa rin nung lugar niya. So once turn over, ito yung mga kasama niya. Yung kitchen cabinets, the granite countertop finish, the kitchen sink, and itong bar counter natin na nandito. So makikita naman natin, so from this kind of place na pwede natin ilalagay yung washing machine natin, ang ating ref, ang ating lutuan, yung stove natin, and yung ating exhaust dito. So here, makikita naman natin ang living area. So ito yung mismong couch niya, yung sala set na tinatawag natin, and ito yung entertainment system natin. And ito guys, makikita natin dito ang ating toilet and bath. So makikita naman natin na spacious pa rin. So kasama tong granite countertop finish, the lavatory and the toilet bowl. And ito ang ating shower area. And here guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa bedroom 2. So kanina, actually yung pinakita ko lately, yung sa 57 square meters na bare unit. So ito guys, makikita nyo yung actual niya. So this is a single bed. So kasyang-kasya si dito, si baby dito, ng mga anak natin. And we have the working table. And we also have the closet here. So may open tayo dito, open shelves tayo dito. So ito guys, makikita natin dito yung sample kung saan nilagay yung split type aircon. So here, this is the master's bedroom. So ang ating master's bedroom, naka queen size bed or double bed would fit here. Tapos ang ating entertainment system. Tapos pwede pa tayong maglagay ng accent dito guys, sa taas or baba ng open shelves. And we also have our closets there. So kasya naman yan for both of you sa as couples. And nandito ang ating access for the balcony. So ito guys, grabe, ang ganda ng view niya since facing amenity siya. So ito ang ating balcony area. Yan, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura niya. So meron tayong parang coffee table dito with chairs. And ito guys, para you have an idea kung saan nyo ba ilalagay yung mga outdoor units nyo. So nandito siya. So kasya-kasya siya. So ito guys yung ating balcony. So it consists of 8 square meters. So guys, if you have any questions about this unit, pwede tayo mag-set ng site tripping, pwede tayo mag-zoom meeting. So please feel free to contact me. So nandito ang aking contact details. So it's Mike Page Property by the MCI Homes. And guys, please do subscribe and like my channel para ma-update kayo sa mga upcoming mga upcoming videos na i-upload ko. So again guys, maraming salamat guys, and have a great day ahead, and God bless.